Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne French with Loveleen. After getting so many requests, today I'm going to introduce a new segment of my channel that is Quick French Learning. Here you will get some short but very effective videos which will help you to enhance your vocabulary so that you can make sentences on your own and some very important French phrases and expressions. So now without wasting more time, let's learn quickly.
Lesson number 1.
Alright, so today we'll learn the very basic lesson, that is how to greet somebody. For that you need to learn only 2 words. One is this, another one is this. And the pronunciation of this is bonjour. Bonjour. And this is salut. Salut. The meaning of both words is same, that is hello or hi. But this bonjour you can use with your friends, family, your boss, like anywhere you can use, right? This is acceptable anywhere. That's why this is a neutral word. No formal, no informal, this is neutral. Anywhere, any situation you can say bonjour, bonjour, right? But this is purely informal, means you can use with your friends and family only, means the people with whom you are very informal. You got it? This is informal and this is neutral. Bonjour and this is salut. You got it? Très bien. Okay, so if you like my channel and you want to learn more French lessons, then just subscribe my channel French with Loveleen. And the subscribe button is just here below, red button. Okay, just press it and you will get more videos. Even these videos you can check. These are basic videos. Okay, it's gonna help you a lot. Okay, so see you next time. À bientôt. Au revoir. Bye bye.